Is it possible to make money blogging? What are the several methods to earn money through blogging? How much money can I make? What should I blog about to earn money? These and more are the questions that often pop up in your mind, and Money Plus is the right place where you can get the answers to these questions. But before we start telling you how to make money from blogging, don't forget to subscribe to Money World Plus and smash the bell icon. Let's dive in. What exactly is a blog? A blog is an online diary or informational website maintained by an individual, group, or company that publishes frequently updated content about a certain topic. It is written in an informal or conversational tone and offers facts in reverse chronological order. How to start blogging? When it pertains to creating a blog, you have two alternatives: use a free blogging platform or build your website. Free blogging platforms. Many platforms will allow you to set up a blog for free, and many are simple to use. If you merely want to blog informally at the start, this may be a good option for you. However, free blogging sites might be quite limited. You will have limited customization options, and your blog will have a storage restriction, which may make it difficult to upload huge videos and photographs. Most free blogging systems also do not enable you to include banner ads or affiliate links on your website, which are important cash sources for most bloggers. Make your website. If you're not very tech savvy, the project of making your website may seem daunting. However, it is rather simple to build one, and you may do it in as little as 20 minutes because most websites now feature some amazing blogging templates. You'll be able to build unique personal branding with your website, and there's no fear of platform deleting your blog. You'll own the site and have total control. How much can you earn from blogging? Bloggers, like any other profession, make varying amounts of money, ranging from $1,000 to $2 million each year. How much money you can make is completely determined by a few criteria, such as which niche are you interested in? How much time do you spend learning and implementing? How much traffic does your blog receive? What digital marketing strategies do you use? How long does it take to earn a living from blogging? Blogging is often a side business that people pursue in hopes of one day being able to quit their day of employment. However, the time it takes to create a significant revenue differs from blogger to blogger. Some bloggers with an entrepreneurial spirit earn their first $100 online within a few months, and they continue to increase their earnings month after month, eventually reaching thousands and millions. Things crucial to make money through blogging. Number 1. Select a successful niche. A niche is a subset of larger topics such as food. Readers establish a connection with your site by selecting one for your blog. They know exactly what they'll get when they arrive at your site. If you want to stand out before monetizing, it's all about the quality and knowledge you share through your blogs. Bloggers make money in a wide range of areas, albeit not all of them are profitable. A successful blog niche is something in which you are knowledgeable and or interested. Blogs require a large amount of constant high-quality content to grow a following and become monetized. Not only will blogging about something you're passionate about being more pleasurable, but it will also enhance your chances of making money. Number 2. Create an email list. To make money from your blog, you must have a following of readers who value your advice. Building an email list for your blog is one of the finest methods to achieve this. When a reader opts in to receive emails from your blog, you have the authorization to contact them. Using a pop-up window encourages blog readers to join your mailing list. Number 3. Use social media to promote your blog. You won't be recognized if you don't have social media profiles, just like every other business nowadays. We suggest adding Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and LinkedIn pages to accounts for your blog. Create these accounts in the same color scheme or theme as your blog, so your brand is consistent and immediately identified. Use them to promote new posts and tag other bloggers, influencers, companies who may share your material and help it reach a wider audience. Number 4. Make contact with other bloggers. Make yourself known to other bloggers who cover comparable topics. Even though you are technically a rival, you may be astonished by how friendly the blogger community can be. Most bloggers even have a links page on the website where they connect to many of their community members in exchange for a link on your blog. This can greatly improve your search engine optimization. If you interact with other bloggers and promote their content, they will most likely reciprocate. You may even cooperate on some joint ventures. Number 5, comment on news stories. Get engaged. If anything in the news is connected to your niche, it may work wonders for gaining you some wonderful publicity. You may use pertinent hashtags on social media to say your piece, participate in debates, and even reach out to journalists to indicate you're ready to comment. If you're truly good at owning your area, media persons may approach you. Number 6, produce clickbait. Generating viral content will allow you to attract new crowd and as a result grow your readership. The key to developing viral content is to tap into contentious or extreme themes about your niche blogging industry. How to make money from blogging. Number 1, on your blog, use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works by inserting monitored affiliate links into your blog's material. Every time a reader clicks through to a site you promote and makes a purchase, you can earn a small compensation. The links will direct visitors to a brand's website and you will generate income. Almost all online e-commerce websites such as Amazon, ASOS, and Apple offer some kind of affiliate program. Number 2, include banner advertisements on your website. You may sell banner advertising space on your blog page to businesses that are relevant to your visitors as a more visible form of advertising. Advertisements can appear anywhere, although they are most typically seen at the top of blog pages or in the sidebar. You can make money in one of two ways. CPC, cost per click, implies you'll earn a fixed payment for every reader who clicks on the ad, whereas CPM, cost per thousand, means you'll get a fixed permanent for every 1,000 impressions the ad receives. Create an account with Google AdSense to get started quickly. Number 3, create sponsored content and advertorials. As for bloggers, delivering sponsored content possibilities is one of the greatest methods to monetize a blog. These are effectively sponsored advertisements in the guise of an article or blog post. This strategy of earning money is typically most effective when you have a large niche audience. Once your viewership has increased, businesses will frequently approach you to discuss sponsored content. Number 4, paid social media posts. Brands would be particularly interested if you have a strong social media presence. Some bloggers get their whole income from sponsored social media postings. You may charge a fee for every post or repost, and the prices can be astronomical. Number 5, write guest blog pieces for news organizations. If you're an authority on a certain issue, people in the media or even companies with their blogs may contact you and ask you to make brief cameo appearances on their website. For an instance, if you're incredibly knowledgeable about cooking on a budget, a magazine may contact you and ask you to submit some budget-friendly recipes to their culinary magazine. Number 6, work with a firm to create blog. Believe it or not, blogging has gotten so prominent in the advertising industry that there are even more companies dedicated just to connecting bloggers with major brands. Working with an agency may be extremely profitable and secure, but you'll need to have a good following to be picked up in the first place. Agency costs are also quite pricey, therefore only the biggest companies will be able to deal with you. Number 7, sell digital items on your blog. If you have talents or expertise to provide, another alternative is to charge a fee for access to ebooks, video tutorials, seminars, or workshops. To make this option work, you must be able to demonstrate that you are an expert in your field or that you have information that has shown to be exceptionally beneficial. This isn't easy. People have a propensity to believe that everything online should be free, so convincing online groups to pay may be tough. Worth a shot? So guys, this was all about making through blogging. If you have further questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Money World, before you begin creating your blog. We will be back shortly with another wonderful video.